For us it's nothing new. मतलब आज स्टेज पर मिले और हम लोग इधर उधर मिलते रहते हैं. So it's totally normal for us. But if people felt nice, that's nice. Greed is not a good word. Ambition is good. I'm shooting right now with Vishal Bhardwaj. This is like our fourth film together. We don't have a title for the film yet, but the film has a fantastic cast. There's me, there's Tripti, there's Nana Sir, there's Randeep Hooda.
What is dance for you?
Self-expression and enjoyment.
आपकी performance है,
What? Sorry?
What can we expect from the performance?
मैं नाचूंगा अपने गानों पे. Hopefully आप लोग enjoy करोगे.
शायद आज हम लोगों को जब भी बैठ का एक रियूनियन मिला था. What was your thought about it? Because we are
See,
we are
for us it's nothing new. मतलब आज स्टेज पर मिले और हम लोग इधर उधर मिलते रहते हैं. So it's totally normal for us. But if people felt nice, that's nice.
Shahid, tell us something about your bond with Haifa.
Yeah, I mean I've been doing this with them for 22 years. बहुत टाइम परफॉर्म कर चुका हूँ. मुझे तो याद भी नहीं कितनी बार किया है. इट फील्स लाइक होम. बहुत खुशी है कि इस बार हिंदुस्तान में है, हमारी देसी ऑडियंस के लिए है. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है लाइव परफॉर्म करना ऑडियंस के सामने. I like to see them have a good time, so I'm very excited to be here and hopefully I'll give them like a really fun time.
You have won the award for 3 times and that's the second position. First is held by Shah Rukh and Hrithik sir. So when do you think you can surpass them or you can equalize the awards?
नहीं यार, मैं ना अवार्ड्स के बारे में बिल्कुल सोचता नहीं. I'll be very honest. I'm just happy. मुझे ऑडियंस का प्यार चाहिए. अवार्ड्स जब आएंगे नहीं आएंगे, no problem. I'm totally cool with that.
Shahid, as an actor, are you a greedy or more ambitious?
I'm very grateful and thankful, and greed is not a good word. Ambition is good, but you have to learn to be thankful. And after so many years of work, I think I want to focus on just being thankful for what I have, and just work better and do better work.
Also, what's next cooking or kya?
I'm shooting right now with Vishal Bhardwaj. This is like our fourth film together. We don't have a title for the film yet, but the film has a fantastic cast. There's me, there's Tripti, there's Nana Sir, there's Randeep Hooda, there is Vikrant Messi, there's Farida Jalalji, and it's a very, very interesting film. Very excited. Just started shooting it, so getting into it.
Last movie or Chance.
Thank you.
When you did Chance to Dance, it was like everyone was into dance. So when we can see you next time dancing in the movie,
मैं यार हर पिक्चर में नाचता हूँ यार.
लेकिन मतलब एकदम लीड वैसे वाला जिसमें
अच्छा, like a musical is what you say. It's very difficult यार, because हमारी आधी फिल्में तो musicals ही होती हैं. So you'll have to find a subject that's different, but it's still a musical. So अभी तक तो ऐसा आया नहीं है कुछ.
But शायद dance is in your genes. Your mother is a versatile dancer.
Yeah.
I would say. What
Yeah.
would you say about it?
Yeah, of course. I think fortunately I got my acting from my dad and my dancing from my mom. So I think I was lucky. But of course she's a fantastic dancer and she's a I think मैं उनका 1-2% हूँ. I think 1-2% मेरी mom की dancing और 1-2% मेरी dad की acting. I think that's what I have, and I'm very grateful and thankful for the fact that I get to do what I do, and I have learned a lot from them. And
One person from the industry you think you would want to share the stage with one day?
so many people, yeah, so many people. It would be great to dance with Katrina. I think she's a fantastic dancer. I would love to do a song with Hrithik. I would love to dance with most people because dancing is about having fun. You should enjoy yourself. Ishan और मैं तो घर पे नाचते रहते हैं. अभी सिर्फ फिल्म में नाचना है कहीं पे. Yeah, it would be fantastic.
will
It
we
would be
see you in a
great.
negative role
इतने तो कर चुका हूँ यार negative role
in the coming
in the coming future. See, most of the characters that I play are not just nice. They have little shades of grey. So I'm sure there'll be roles in which that will be there. Yes.